we have a array. We have an array which contains elements and sum of all the elements. The elements are in the range of 0 to n minus 1. And now we have to split this array into two parts. One will contain all the elements, n minus 1 elements, and the other array will contain the sum of these elements. Now to solve this, we can see which, because the sum will always be the largest of all the elements, we can find out the largest element in the array. Which one is the largest element in the array? For this, we will iterate through the array. We will also keep a note where is our pointer when we are trying to find the maximum value within the array. So we will start with array 0 max, and when we'll go through this array, we will see if array at any position is greater than max. If it is greater than max, we will make our max value as array of I, and we will also set our pointer at I position. Now we know where is this sum value located in this array. So for this step the complexity is n. Now the second thing we will do, we have to split this array at this pointer position. At this pointer we have to split this array into two. We have to take this element out and we have to keep all this element. For this we can initiate one more array that will contain all the elements, and the size of the elements will be 1 less than the length of original array. So it will be the original length minus 1. And now we will copy all the elements from this array to this. And first part we will copy all the elements till the pointer position. Till the pointer position we will copy all the elements. So we will start with the source array and with index 0. Source array is array, and the starting index will be the 0, and we will copy this in element which will start with 0. And how many elements we will copy? Till here. That means the length, total length will be pointer, whatever will be the value of the pointer. And again, then the next part we will again copy all the elements from position this pointer plus 1, and we will copy all the elements from pointer plus 1 in the elements, and we'll start with the position where we ended this pointer minus 1, and we will copy these two elements. And because we have, for the maximum value contains the sum of the elements, we can initiate a new array of size 1, and we can keep the value of this max in this array. In this way we can split the array into two. One contains all the elements and one will contain only the sum.